Holla at your boy, holla at your RobRoy. Back at it again, just to be back at it again, my friend. Alright, I wanted to get y'all some fresh content. I wanted to shoot y'all a nice video, but I ain't got time because, you know, I got my own orders coming up. You know, we got restorations we done did. We got our own custom, so I don't got a whole day to shoot a video. Plus, I don't have nobody to hold the camera. So what I'm gonna do is gonna probably scout out some of the best things that you know, I pull some of my ideas from, and I'm gonna share it to you, and then we'll be on the same page. So I'm gonna get right into this, and let's go from there. So, but if you need some customs, we can also do them, but I don't got time to do the customs and shoot the video, so, and the editing. So I'm gonna leave some links down below. I'm gonna give a shout out to this channel that I pulled this inspiration from, and we're just gonna keep going like that. All right. Salute. Let's get into it.
Okay, so here we have a pair of all-white NMDs, brand new. From
you always want to get fresh, if you can, fresh new shoes to start with. From
my man Chow, all the way from Virginia. Shout out to him. Very patient, very patient. It's gonna be well worth the wait. Let's crank this thing up because it's mad cold in here.
Also, it takes a long time.
The cozy boys now. Okay, so
we get behind on things, you know.
Green, black.
If you can, also put out the colors that you wanna do. You know, be well organized.
Because then I mix the brown with the cream to make that the base color.
There's some tips that I didn't picked up as going through. So
I got to use beige for the base color, and then duller. I almost forgot to take it. So then I got all my stuff right here. I got the cable, painting, acetone, Q-tips, cotton balls, subcribe. Oh man, he's a promoter, but that's back there. Oh, the tape, man, so bad. Now all I gotta do now is just start prepping. What I'm gonna do is acetone everything, acetone the logo, just get off any dust, anything, and then I'm gonna get my sanding block, sand it thoroughly, spray with the adhesive promoter, and after that just get to taping and painting.
Forgot to add, you gotta wet sand it. Alright, any questions that he doesn't cover or I don't cover, just comment down below. Shout out to the music. And don't over acetone them because it will break down the shoe. Holla at your boy, holla at your RobRoy. Back at it again, my friend. Using masking tape here. You know, there's a lot of tapes you can use, but he's using masking tape. Some people use masking tape, some use
complete
paper bags, some use plastic bags.
Man, I am just a tape god. No, I'm not a god. I'm just Tosh. Look at this though. Your tape job has to be the cleanest part of your work. Well, not actually, but you know, you get the idea. Just have to hit up the other shoe, and onto the fun part.
You gotta start with a clean tape job. To cut out his formations. fist. You want to hold that 6 to 12 inches away. Also, you want to dry as you go. So you want to paint, dry, paint.
Colors are coming along nicely, as you can see.
Thumbs up the video. Holla at your boy.
Placement and how the colors contrast against one another. I hand paint the rest. All I need left is just the black. And once the black's there, everything's gonna pop out nicely.
Man, he's going back in with a smaller paint brush to define the colors. A lot of artists I see use this technique. Shout out to the Brahma channel. He's BRAHMA. Check him out, y'all. Good work over there, so. You know, I'm gonna have to borrow a lot of videos. You know, it cuts out on our time, man, because until I get a crew, I gotta keep my channel with some good content. Check them out, though. And that's a wrap. Holla at your boy, holla at your RobRoy. Thumbs up. If you want more content, just put something down below. If you got some suggestions or you got some other shoes you want me to try to cover or see, can I search out for you? Or you seen the video but you didn't quite understand it. Or if you got some shoes that, you know, that maybe they're busy, we could cover. I'm not going to cover nothing that can't be done by us. Alright, so if you see it on there, we can cover it. Alright, so holla at your boy, holla at your RobRoy. Till next time. Put a link in the put a link down below. Shout out to MikeandNikes.com. Shout out to everyone that's supporting us. Till next time. Salute.